Alright guys, I'm going to show you some custom drop shot baits I got, and anybody can really get these, so I'm just going to go right into it and kind of show them and explain them here. When they're shipped, I didn't really care for what they were shipped in. These came in kind of what I would call a crappy little Ziploc bag. No offense to the dude who makes them, but it was a crappy little Ziploc bag. So you see, I got some custom gobies, and those are pretty sweet. I got these for swimming on a little like Ned head or jig, and actually have some right over here. These little round type owners, 3/8, and I have some quarters. Yeah, I got some quarters over here too that you can swim with those. Little paddle tails. Picked up a bunch of these. Oh, little custom goby baits. Pretty slick. I got a pile of them actually. He sells them, I think, pretty much in bulk. And you can see they might have a slight variation to them, but they're pretty slick. Heck yeah. It's going to be killer on St. Clair, Saginaw Bay, Lake Huron. So I got those. Then I got these little goby type minnows. So you guys can see this really good. There's some fleck in there. I mean, they are soft as can be. These things are going to move so nicely in the water. Just soft as can be. Got some purple and gold in there. And I do have some power baits in here and some Kitex. But here's the other custom minnow, glass minnow. Translucent, looks absolutely killer. I'm hoping this is picking it up well. It's tough out here. I don't have the best light in my garage, and I'm getting the sniffles because it's cold. But I'm telling you guys right now, that is a killer looking bait. Alright, so as you can see, I got a pile of them. He pretty much sells in bulk. I'll link it in the description if you guys want to check them out. Cool. All right, the next custom drop shot Ned type baits I got are from another one. This one, the guy actually writes it on the package, and it's from Handmade Fishing. I think this is the guy that has is it Etsy? I think it's Etsy. Is that what people shop it now? But at Handmade Fishing, and these are gobies as well. And these are actually the other ones. They have different purposes. You know, swim a little bit. These ones are more almost a Ned style, but the detail is phenomenal. Good solid body. Looks great. Alright, so that is this little goby. I think the color is just goby. You go to this his little site and you can see them. So that's this one. The ones that are the same, I'm not gonna open them up again. The same color scheme. This color, a little different. This is like more of a shad goby, if you will. You guys can see a little bit there. So this one is a little different. This has got more of a shad type with some purple fleck. Pretty slick though. Pretty cool. Alright, same in this one. And then I had ordered some of his drop shot baits. Those are more Ned style goby, but I ordered some of his drop shot baits. And I got the Morning Dawn. So it's just a fat bait with a paddle tail, but it's pretty slick as well. It's got the fleck in there. You guys can see it all right. Pretty cool. And 2 packs of those.